Hey everybody, not a very long video today, but I wanted to pop on and shoot a quick video. I recently bought a Spyderco Paramilitary 2, the left-handed version, that I'm really stoked about, and I've been interested in purchasing something from Lynch North West for quite a while. They've got some really cool products. And I went ahead and purchased a new pocket clip for the PM2 because I'm really not loving how big it is and the fact that it doesn't sit very deep in my pocket. So I thought today I would do a little unboxing and give some first impressions, and then install it on the knife and we'll take a look. So here we go. Okay, let's see, in the box we've got the pocket clip. I went with a fade anodized look. I thought that looked really sharp, so I'm excited to put that on. You've also got some instructions along with some screws, looks like in the bag. Yep. Also got a little note explaining what may happen to the pocket clip over time. That's cool. And a little thank you note from the Lynch North West team, so that's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this bad boy on the PM2, and then I'll be back to take a look. Okay, 5 minutes later, we're done. I went ahead and used a T6 Torx wrench to remove those screws and put the new pocket clip back on, and I dig it already. It sits much lower in the pocket. Love the fade look of the new pocket clip. Yeah, highly recommend. I've got no complaints about this pocket clip thus far. I mean, I've only had it for like 10 minutes. Couldn't wait to install it once I saw that it showed up in the mailbox, but I'm loving it. Really like the look. The quality looks great. We'll see how it holds up over time, but Lynch Northwest, check them out. They've got some good stuff for PM2s.